Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Today is going to be part 2 of my TikTok cleaning hacks video. You guys seem to really like the first one, and I've come across a lot more cleaning hacks on TikTok that I am happy to try out for you guys. So that is exactly what we are going to do today. If you guys haven't seen part 1 of this video, I'm going to link it down below, so go ahead and check that out when you are done here. All the original TikToks are also going to be linked down below if you guys want to see the original creator who posted these hacks on TikTok. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out 5 cleaning hacks, and I am going to show you guys the before and after, give you some thoughts on it, and let you know whether I think it worked or not. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the first hack that I'm going to try is making your vacuum smell better. This is specifically for the Dyson, so if you have any of the Dyson stick vacuums, then you can definitely use this. Okay, so this hack actually works. I just vacuumed my kitchen and it all smells like Febreze. I think it's actually a really great hack. I think you can probably spray other things apart from air freshener on the filter if you wanted to put maybe like the Downy Bead solution or maybe some essential oils mixed with water. I feel like it would all work because the air is passing through the filter. I'm gonna give this hack a 10 out of 10 and move on to the next one. All right, so the next hack is how to properly deep clean these wooden spoons. The hack includes boiling some water and letting it soak in there, so we're gonna go ahead and try that right now. Okay, this spoon has been in here for over 10 minutes now, and as you can see, there are just like some little floaters at the top of the water, which looks like stuff that did get loosened off the wooden spoon. But I'm gonna pull it out and see if there's any difference. So here's the after. I don't think it made too much of a difference, but to be fair, I don't think my spoon was super dirty to begin with. This discoloration is still on the back of the spoon, so I'm actually not sure if it came like this or not, but it definitely does look clean. So I don't think there's any harm in doing this. The only thing that I can think of is if these wooden products are supposed to have oils in them and the hot water is kind of stripping it of its oils, which could be what's floating at the top of the glass. But apart from that, I think this did a good job of loosening everything up in there, and it definitely feels super clean. This next hack is for beauty blenders. As you can see, mine are pretty dirty, so I'm actually kind of excited to try out this hack. We are going to mix up some ingredients into this bowl, and then I will show you guys the after. So this is what they look like straight out of the microwave. Excuse the stove, one of the hacks coming up is actually on how to clean that, but back to the beauty blenders. It's pretty hot right now. As you can see, there's steam coming out of the bowl, but it does look like it got a fair amount of dirt out. I'm just gonna maybe try to squish them a little bit with a spoon to get some of the foundation on the inside out, and then I will drain them and rinse them and show you guys what they look like after. All right, so here are the results. This is the Real Technique sponge, and I do think that on this one it did an okay job. There's no more foundation or powder here, and nothing on this side as well. However, this one was a bit cleaner than this one when we started off. I'm not sure what happened here. I'm not sure if this is from microwaving the sponge or not, but it does look like it's a bit damaged. And I don't believe that that was there before. So just beware if you're going to do this. This might damage your sponge. But anyways, that is the Real Techniques one. And then my beauty blender is not clean. So this definitely didn't work. There's still foundation left here and some other marks from concealer and foundation here and contour. So I definitely don't think that this is the best way to clean your beauty blender. I do have a video on my channel on how I actually clean them at home. So if you guys want to check that out, that way is a lot more effective and it's using all household products. So I will link that up there. With that being said, we are going to move on to the next hack. Okay, moving on to the next hack. Like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to try out this hack for glass stovetops. I've purposely not cleaned my stovetop, so it's a little bit dirty, a little bit dirtier than usual. However, I normally clean my stovetops with baking soda. If you want to know how I clean my stovetops, it's in my cleaning videos. I will link the exact one up in the info cards right now, so you guys can go ahead and click on that. But I basically use baking soda. In this hack, we're going to be using Easy Off. I'm just going to use this brush to spread it around because the hack that I saw, they had a different spray bottle which seemed to like evenly coat the glass, and I think this sprayer doesn't exactly do that. So I'm not actually applying any pressure, but I just want to spread everything out evenly so that it is all over the surface. So this Easy Off has been sitting on my stove for just a couple of minutes, but I can already see that in some places it's starting to change color, which probably means that it is breaking down some of the stuff on my stovetop. Like as you can see there, it's starting to turn brown, and there's a few other places. It's just a bit hard to show on camera because it's so subtle, but it definitely is doing something. So I'm gonna wait for a total of 10 minutes, and then we are gonna go ahead and wipe it off. All right, so it's been close to 10 minutes now. I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub it with my Scrub Mummy sponge just to make sure I get any extra grime off, and then I'm gonna wipe it down with a paper towel, and we are gonna look at the final results. So here is the after of the stove. I would actually say it looks pretty good. There are some spots, like as you can see here and around here, that it didn't end up lifting. So I think I might have to use some baking soda for that. But apart from that, it did an amazing job and it looks really shiny and clean. So try it out on your stove. I think it's worth trying. It depends how deep set your stains are. If you have the other type of Easy Off that seems to spray out of a can, like an aerosol can, I'll insert a picture of it right now. That one seems to work pretty well on TikTok. I don't know if I have the wrong Easy Off, but mine does say that it is a heavy duty version of oven cleaner by Easy Off, so it definitely looks the same, but here are my results. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to the last hack. All right, so this last hack is a grout cleaner. So this is the grout in my washroom, and I honestly don't know if this is the grout color or not, because when we moved into this place, this is how it's always looked. However, I was looking at it the other day and I noticed that the grout is this color over here, but then this color over here. And so I definitely think it needs a good clean. So we're gonna test out this DIY grout cleaner on my washroom floor. So let's go ahead and make the paste. So I scrubbed this line and this line. This does look a little bit cleaner right here. You can see it kind of lightened. And then this is darker. Also a little bit on the side here looks lighter. I'm not sure if the grout lightened, but I think there's still a little bit of baking soda left over too. So I'm gonna try something else. I have a SCRUBDADDY scour sponge and I think that might be a little bit tougher. So I'm gonna use the same mixture but just try to scrub it differently and see what happens. Alright, so here is the results, even with the scour sponge. I honestly don't notice too much of a difference, but I'm also not sure what the original color of this grout is. So that might be a bit of an issue. I might try it over here where the grout is lighter, because maybe my grout is supposed to be darker, and that is actually the dirty part of it. So let's try that quickly just to make sure I'm testing this properly, and let you know my thoughts after I'm done. So that's what it looks like right now. I honestly think it might just look a bit darker because it's wet, so I'll show you guys the finished result when everything dries. So here's an update of my floor about 4 hours later, and this part has all dried now. There is like a bit of leftover baking soda on my tile, but it did work. I think it just took a little while to lift, but you can see exactly where I stopped scrubbing, and even here where I stopped scrubbing. And so I do think that this worked, and I'm gonna give this hack a thumbs up. Okay guys, that is all for this TikTok cleaning hack video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you learned something, then please hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you guys want to see more videos from me, then hit that red subscribe button and bell notification next to it so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. Like I said before, everything used in this video is linked down in the description box, and please feel free to leave a comment if you guys want me to try out any more hacks. I am more than happy to film a part 3. And with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!